Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions and Affordable Medical USA.com. I'm really excited to bring to you the Zero Turn 10 by Pride. This thing's supposed to be sweet. It's going to be black. So we're going to get going. 400-pound weight capacity. As you see, it'll come on a pallet. This is the scooter. This is the seat. So I'm going to take the seat right off the box first. And I'm going to open this up. This is my first time opening one of these, so I'm going into this just like you would, new. Cut the front so you can roll this one out. This is going to be a larger scooter. They make a Zero Turn 8 that's smaller, that's a little bit easier to transport. This one can be disassembled, but I would suggest purchasing a lift if you can. So when you unbox these, it's going to come packaged really nice. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this out. In here you'll find your key and your manual. Please keep the manual, has a serial number on it, and there's your key. Next thing, I'll give you some instructions, different languages, and then your charger. So you always want to charge these up overnight before you use it. When you get it, it's really good to do that. Back here, this package swap, which I'm probably going to have someone come in and help me get this out. So I'll just go ahead and start taking some of the packages out. This is like a feather touch tiller adjustment. There's no knob like on a lot of scooters. You're going to bring that up. It's right here. And go ahead and start removing the packaging. Here's your basket, the large basket. You got storage, like a little Cupholder, little storage compartment. When you get into here, I would probably remove this shroud by just pulling off the sides. And you'll find your batteries. So these are 40 amp hour batteries, so they're going to be a little bit heavier. This seat post can be adjusted to different heights. Check the specs, you'll have to unbolt it. Disconnect this. Let's take the batteries out. The batteries aren't connected, so you will have to connect it, which we'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to take all the batteries out. There's 2 batteries. And I can disconnect this front piece. Okay. Before you disconnect that, you got to disconnect the motor leads. Make sure you have 2 people to do this. This is a couple connections you have to do before you unhook it. So make sure you check, make sure none of these wires are hooked up to here. So even I messed up. It's the first time doing this, like I said. So this one you can take apart, but it's not something I'm going to really suggest doing a bunch. It's an awesome unit. AL100 would work good for this, for your car. The heaviest part's the front section at 75 pounds. The seat weighs 34. It's a 2-inch ground clearance at the motor. So we're going to connect this back just like this. So this is why I wouldn't suggest you disconnecting it so much. So we'll run these wires down here, and we're going to connect the motor lead. So they say 2 and 1, and they have arrows pointing to it. So this is number 2. So I'm going to connect number 2. Over here, I'm going to connect number 1. So let's see how they want me to do it. And then this is going to connect right to here, number 3. And 4 and 5 is for your batteries. So I'll go ahead and put the batteries in. And they do have those marked too, so this will be number 4. We'll probably just do it this way. Connect the batteries. I don't know if it matters about the batteries, but if it says to do it, I'm gonna do it. Alright guys, so then you're gonna bring this around and connect that. Tighten that down. So now we are done. We'll put the shroud on it. We'll have an overview of this. This can be adjusted up to seat quotes and height. There are these cords kind of set up the way you need to. I'm gonna tell you, get a lift. AL600, AL100, call us. We'll tell you what lifts to go, because you're not gonna want to take this apart. I mean, you may want to take it apart once a month, maybe. I wouldn't suggest taking it apart. We're gonna go ahead and put the seat on. This is a 18 by 17 seat, swivel seat. Slide, pull this up. So here's your arms, some nice arms. These are adjustable in height, and you can adjust it in width. So what you're gonna do is, I'm going to put this back one on first. Again, you gotta loosen this, and then you can pull that pin, put it right there. If you want to look closer, put it right there. And then tighten that up. Same for the other side real quick. Loosen this up, remove that pin, loosen it enough so this starts to slide in. And you can put your pin in and tighten this up. So this is where I was saying, if you want to bring these up, you can bring these up and down. Allen key. I usually, if you put it too low, you can't flip back these arms, so make sure your arms flip back and then tighten that up. See how that's not going up? It's a little too low, so you can kind of go right here and tighten it, and then it should go down. Repeat the process on the other side. So you could get a basket that goes with this receiver at the back, oxygen tank holder, walker holder, whatever you need. This flips down, sharp pocket. Charger's going to be right here. Obviously you just plug it in, and your charger's going to go right here. Charge this over for 8 hours. Charge it each night too, and that's where you charge it. Alright, circuit breakers down here. If you ever run into a problem, you're out in the grass, this breaks, that'll be the first thing you check. Let's talk about this unit real quick, so I'm excited about it. Here's your key, and here's your basket. The basket will clip onto the front. If you do it wrong, just redo it. So, we know we got a swivel seat. We have a slider. We have a soft tiller or a feather adjustment. No doing this. On this unit you have a fast mode and an eco mode. And your key is going to go right into here. Turn it on, you got blinkers, speed control, battery indicator, puddle light, and then your lights. This is your hazard, and this is your lights. And you got lights up here, you got lights back here. 400 pounds. It can go up to about 7 miles per hour at a 400-pound person, about 7.5 at a 200-pound person. 2-inch ground clearance at the motor. The turning radius is 43 inches. Overall length is 48 inches. The width is 24 to 25 inches. The seat to ground height is adjustable from 23 to 25, and the seat to deck height is 18 to 20. Check our specs online. Call us if you have any questions. It's going to have 9-inch front tires and 10.75 back. It does have the suspension, the CTS suspension system, which is really nice. Again, this is a 4-wheel scooter with that turns really well because it has a dual motor at the back. So it's their dual inline 24-volt DC motor system. 17 by 18 width is 18, 17 depth seat that slides forward back, adjustable arm width, adjustable arm height. 40 amp hour batteries is going to get you about 15 miles at a weight of 400 pounds and about 21 miles at a weight of 200 pounds with the person. It can disassemble. 2-year on the warranty on the drivetrain, the electronics. The batteries come with a 6-month warranty. So you can get this in white, you can get this in ocean blue, candy apple red. This is the black. There is a cup holder, and you do have an eco speed, which will be slow, and then you get your fast speed. Lights, front, back, blinkers, horn, cup holder, mirror attachments if you need it, large basket. It's a great scooter if you're looking for something for the yard and possibly inside your house. Depends on your house size. Look at the Zero Turn 8 or power chair for inside your house. So like and subscribe to our videos. We're trying to post as many videos and reviews as we can. We'll do an overview of this later. This is the Victory 10 Zero Turn by Pride Mobility. Check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com. Give us a call at 803-926-2224. We can drop ship these anywhere. You just let us know. We have a white glove delivery. People will bring it to you, set it up, do all this stuff that I just did. Or we do a free drop ship if you can handle taking this out the box and putting it together. Thank you and have a great day.